Hey everybody, welcome back to the channel. So the trading year for me is now finished. I've closed out everything on my FTMO funded account and other trades I've got running elsewhere, just to make sure that I am in the holiday season and I can not worry about trades or stress or making money because the markets are a bit slow, they're a bit rubbish right now. So yeah, time to get festive and enjoy the holiday season. So I've not taken much of a break this year, been really grinding away trying to get funded accounts, doing extra challenges, trying to get to the point of being able to have huge capital in the funded accounts, and obviously getting there slowly, but not as much as I'd like to. So I really want to take the next 3 weeks just to really sit back, contemplate what's happened over the year, learn from the mistakes. There have been lots of them. I think as traders, we generally don't like to acknowledge our mistakes. We generally sort of park them and hide them under the carpet. But I really want to sort of do a deep dive into all the things that have gone wrong and also look at things that have gone right. So things that have gone wrong, really assess from them and learn from them. Things that have gone right, make sure I do them better next year. Because for me as a trader, it's that continual development, that's continual learning that makes it, one, exciting to come back into the markets every day, but also that sort of knowing that you're getting better. You can see that in the results and the performance month on month. So really want to set the goals for 2022, be really ambitious, really try and be aggressive in what I'm trying to achieve, but also realistic, not setting goals that are so way off that I'm never going to achieve them and feeling really deflated, but being quite realistic in the goals that when I do achieve them, whether it's in the first 3 months of the year, first 6 months, or even the last month of the year, I'm happy what I've actually set out to achieve. There's still loads of books I said I was going to read this year that I haven't got round to doing, so I'm going to try and get through as many as I can in the next 3 weeks. I'm going to backtest strategies, look for new strategies, go over my journals and see what trades worked, look at the analysis. Did I focus too much on gold? Have I neglected to look at Forex or other Forex pairs? Really immerse myself in all of the data, because once I get that real big view and really sort of dig into it, which I'm not able to do on a daily basis because one, I'm still holding down a full-time job, which is not ideal. And in between the rest of it, I'm trying to trade and make money. But obviously without the pressure of both those happening for the next few weeks, really indulge my passion of trading and just, learn and soak up as much as I can. And everything I learn and everything I can actually implement into my trading, I can then share with you on the journey for next year. Because though I'm doing it alone in my office and my trading den, really it's sort of sharing the journey with everybody that's watching on YouTube to be able to give advice and guidance and drag along on this journey as well. And also I take advice and comments from everybody out there. I get so much good feedback on the videos, the content, or the strategies, and obviously also people will say, have a look at this prop firm or look at this strategy. And again, I do read them all and I do try and acknowledge them, as well as do that research and go and look beyond just the surface or that small bubble that I'm caught up in, and really sort of expand the horizons to the whole prop firm industry, as well as all the trading strategies that, again, I've only scratched the surface of only a few of them. I want to learn so many more. So for me, the next few weeks are really important. Take that downtime, take the stress away, enjoy time with friends and family over the Christmas period, and really come back in 2022 fully recharged, really going to gun for it hard and get some amazing returns. So I hope you enjoyed my quick rambling update on what my plans are for the next few weeks and into next year, and I'll see you all again soon. Cheers.